Becoming a designer can seem like a pretty exclusive thing. It's not everyone's cup of tea. However, in today's world, anyone can become a designer with practice and some basic design knowledge. Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In today's video, I will teach you some fundamental design principles that you must know to become a graphic designer for your own business. So let's get started. If you're thinking, I am not a creative person, stop that thought. Creativity is inherent in all of us, and design is all about using that creativity to communicate visually. As designers, we possess an exciting toolbox filled with fonts, colors, and imagery. To effectively communicate our message, we just need to learn how to use these tools. But before we open that toolbox, let's delve into some valuable tips. First, simplicity. To begin, understand the importance of simplicity in design. This environment protection poster is an ideal example. It has a single color background, an icon, a shape, and only the necessary text. It is appealing, clear, and has minimal elements. Second, colors. Using an excessive amount of color in your design is a discouraged practice. Decide on a color palette of somewhere between 3 or 4 colors from the beginning, and only stick to those colors throughout the entire design process. Third, typography. Typography goes beyond choosing beautiful fonts. It's a crucial element in your design. As a beginner, choose no more than 2 fonts. You can choose one style for a header and a slightly different style for the content underneath. Fourth, white space and visual hierarchy. Organizing elements in your design to uphold visual hierarchy is crucial, and the use of white space is also important. For instance, in this landing page template, the header is in the largest font at the top, paired with an icon on the left. White space is consistently employed throughout the design to preserve hierarchy. If you're seeking a head start in your design journey and want to create beautiful designs for your business promptly, consider using Venngage. We offer a wide array of pre-designed templates that adhere to design principles, beautifully crafted and easily customizable according to your needs. Now, let's proceed with our next design tip. Fifth, design elements. Creating a cohesive design scheme is all about balance. Make sure that you balance your design elements such as color, pattern, and texture throughout your design. One way to balance your design elements is by using the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a method of breaking up an image or design into different sections using columns and rows that form a grid. As a last tip, it's important to remember that designing is an iterative process, so keep reworking your ideas and projects. And one day, the design that took you all day will only take you a mere fraction of the time. Trust me. And that concludes today's video. Give Venngage a try for your design requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Make sure to follow us on social media, and until next time, happy charting.